Hi friends, it's Riley and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to Chicago. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything I packed for a one-week trip to the Windy City. Hope you guys enjoy and let's get into it. Okay, so I'm taking the red eye tonight, and that means things are a little bit chaotic because I only just started packing. I'm going to show you my minimalist packing, and of course you guys know how much I love capsule wardrobes, so take a look at what I am packing for this trip. I'm sticking with mostly black items. All my tops are basically black t-shirts, and any pop of color I'm going to have are usually just my pants. But all of this is going to fit just in this backpack that I bought. It's one of those clamshell backpacks that opens kind of like a suitcase, and I'll leave a link for it in the description box below. Hi Tyson. I know, how are you? Oh no, what's going on? Tyson. Hi, baby. I know. Mommy's going on a trip. You're staying home. You're staying here with Grandma and Grandpa. I know you don't like that. I know, but you can't come with me. I know, Bloopers. I know. Who's a good boy? I know. Hi, I'll miss you. I'll miss you. You're gonna have a great time at home with Grandma and Grandpa, okay? You're gonna be fine. You can't... Sadly, I can't take you on this trip with me, but I'll be home before you know it. Okay, since I'm flying tonight, this is what I'm wearing. Very simple. T-shirt, pants, right? And usually I wear the same thing on the plane ride back as well. So that's like 2 days, I guess, technically. Anywho, let me show you all my other outfits. And now for the back-to-back black crop tops. Oh wait, let's switch pants. Should I do one big one little one? Like that? Okay, so in total, including the items I'm wearing on the plane, I've packed about 4 shirts, 3 crop tops, 1 dress, 3 pairs of pants, 1 zip-up hoodie, 7 pairs of underwear, 2 bralettes, and 1 pair of socks. As an extra tip, make sure to check the weather before you travel anywhere. I'm a huge fan of using packing cubes, and in this case, I was able to fit most everything into a single medium-sized packing cube. I also decided that rolling my clothes was the best way to fit everything too, but I'm not very particular about whether folding or rolling is better. Alright, now to get into the specifics of my new backpack. I'm flying American Airlines, so while I had the option of using a small carry-on luggage, I wanted to challenge myself, and there are definitely some perks to only using a personal item. There are so many amazing features to this backpack. As I mentioned earlier, it opens up like a suitcase, and it has a spacious main compartment to store everything with an extra strap in the middle to hold all your items in place. On the opposite end, there's a mesh pocket to store toiletry or other small items. What's great about this backpack is that it has a laptop compartment, and look, So you can put your laptop in this big sleeve here. Hang on, let me unzip that. And then they also have a separate compartment where you can put like a tablet or whatever in this one. And then they have this strap that just kind of keeps it all in place. So that's kind of cool, isn't it? I love this backpack also because it has this extra space for a water bottle here, and it's kind of compression-y, so that's nice, it won't fall out. And then on the front of the bag, what's super cool is, look, it has extra pockets here to fit, and it's a lot of space. You can fit like miscellaneous items there. And then another pocket, oops, another pocket over here as well. I'm having trouble with that, that's all right. Yay! Okay, let's get packing, shall we? This is a 40-liter backpack, as I said, and so all of my clothes I put into one packing cube here, and then my toiletry bag, and then this is my makeup bag. And then I just sort of, there was a little bit of space right here, so I kind of just squished all my underwear and bras over here. And then I still have whatever else I want to put in this space. Don't know quite what I'm going to put there yet, but I'm sure I'll utilize that space. And then this is my sweater that I'm going to bring on the plane with me, of course. Yay! This backpack also comes with some compression straps, and I can buckle it up here and then pull it back down as well to sort of like flatten it to make it easier and can fit in the overhead compartment of the plane. Cool. That is really neat. And look. Excited? Come here. Hi, good boy. Okay, I'm back from my break. We got just a few more hours left until I have to head to the airport, but I realized I forgot to include something important. So I have my backpack that I'm going to bring that's, carries my laptop. Okay, I'm a hot mess, you guys. The battery died. So I'm back again. Where was I? Oh yes, okay. So the other thing that I'm going to bring with me, I have my main backpack that carries my laptop and my clothes and everything. And then I have my everyday carry bag. In lieu of a purse, because I'm not really a big purse person, I actually use this sling bag. I think this is the Bellroy Light Sling Bag. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just really like this bag, and I will admit it is a bit pricier, but I just love it so much. The material is super lightweight. It's really big too. Look at how huge this thing is. It can expand a lot. It's got a zippered pocket on the inside where I think it's got, what do you call it, the RFID blocking something or another, so you can put like credit cards or whatever in there. It protects that. And then the front pocket, there's also a front zipper pocket too. Then I just put like, I don't know, like my stickers, my RDL stickers, and like chapstick and whatnot in there. So I just use this to carry like my everyday things like my wallet, my keys, my cell phone, and inhaler, etc. And yeah. So these are the only 2 items that I'm going to bring with me to Chicago. Okay, I think I'm about ready, and it's probably time to get to the airport soon, so let's go. Yeah, TSA pre-check. Here we go. I miss you. Oh, okay. Alright. I cannot snap my fingers. Scripture. Oh no, there's a stain on the shirt. Okay. We will figure it out.